There is no doubt that YouTube is quickly becoming the biggest social network in the entire world. And to be perfectly honest, there are few other effective ways to prospect on YouTube that will yield such good results. Yet most people are completely unaware of the best way to use YouTube marketing to benefit their online business. In fact, many of them struggle to even get the video viewing rates up higher than 50%, let alone drive the kind of traffic they need to make any money. Hello and thanks for checking out my video. In today's video I am going to be talking about the most effective way to prospect on YouTube. My name is Richard Murphy and I am from New Zealand, so for now just sit back, relax and enjoy the video. I am not going to lie to you. I know that YouTube videos take a while to load. They are not a good format for sharing information, but if you are willing to give it a try, then you can get great results. However, there is a better way. We will look at this in a moment. As far as the most effective way to prospect on YouTube for the long term goes, the answer is simple. The problem with video marketing is that you cannot promise anything. You can post whatever you want in your videos. This means you must deliver value in each video you create or else you will lose users. It may sound harsh, but it is true. So how do you create value? Well, there are a number of different things you can do, but I am sure you are tired of hearing the same answers over. The key here is to focus on your message and deliver it in the form of content. For example, you can explain that your product or service has a new feature. Alternatively, you can tell someone about a great new video training course that they can download straight to their computer. This is what I love about video marketing. You can literally get your message out there to millions of people within minutes. In fact, I would even go as far as to say that within the first 5 minutes, you can begin to brand yourself and your website. Let's face it, that first 5 minutes is incredibly important. It establishes your credibility and can build trust among potential clients. Once you have built this trust, your next job is to ensure that they stay on your website and keep returning to your video. The way I like to approach YouTube is from an SEO, search engine optimization, point of view. That is to say, if you haven't done so already, then you need to learn how to optimize your video for the various search engines. As my clientele has shown me, if you fail to optimize your video then you have wasted time and money on getting zero results. In my opinion, that should be your biggest priority. The great thing about YouTube is that it's free to use. So you can use it freely without having to invest any money. However, the downside is that every time you create a video, it gets recorded and stored on YouTube in the Videos section. This means that all of your future videos will be lost if you remove them from YouTube. Although YouTube is great, they do have their downsides, and one of these is that they are very slow to load. If your video takes a long time to load, then you are going to be disappointed with the amount of traffic you gain from people watching your video. The most effective way to prospect on YouTube then is to use a video optimizer. This tool can boost the number of people who watch YouTube videos. In my own experience, if someone watches a 10-second video then they are more likely to spend at least 2 minutes on your site. If your site doesn't have much content on it, then you may only get a few hundred views. A good optimizer will give you the best chances of getting those views. Thanks for watching my video about the most effective way to prospect on YouTube. If you got value from watching my video, hit the subscribe button below this video. Well, that's about all from me. This is Richard Murphy from New Zealand signing off until my next video.